How to use Zoom or Google Meet to get more sales and to present your company or yourself in a much better way, in a more professional way. I will share you hacks and tips you will probably never seen and advanced strategies to have more sales and have better Zoom meetings. Hi, my name is Nick and I have a company and a team that specializes in helping entrepreneurs get more clients and scale their business. But now let's get into the video, okay? Number one tip, when you're having a Zoom meeting, okay? When you're having a Zoom meeting, make the screen smaller, make the Zoom smaller and put it like here. Make the screen smaller and put it like here, you know, put it here. And what you're gonna do is you're going to click on the view and basically press hide self view. So you only will see them. This is great because I know you, a lot of guys or girls using Zoom, you always typically have some notes, you write something, and that is very important. When you're looking at the person, they feel that you're looking at them like this, hello, rather than, yes, sir, yes, what did you, what is this, what do you do? This is not great, okay? So that's number one. Number two, whenever you have a Zoom meeting and you're gonna make some notes, tell the other person you're gonna make some notes. Number three, the sound on the Zoom. Go into the sound settings, audio settings, and check your speakers. Check here. And also, I would recommend you always to use Zoom background noise removal. And if you have a crowded place with a lot of people, so maybe put a lot of it, compression, okay? That's important. Next, audio tool. So I would recommend you to check out Crisp. This is an AI-driven, assistant for audio. So it has like some features, how it compresses background noise and makes you sound much better. Check it out, it's really nice. And we do use it. And I have a team of like 13 salespeople. We're calling and having Zoom meetings, so it is useful. Next thing, have a nice background. I don't know, like it is not so trustworthy when I have a meeting with someone and he has a background of like a beach and I know it's like Zoom background. So have a proper background, something nice. You don't need a fancy camera. You can use your computer's camera. Just put the computer like this so you don't look so you don't show your nose to the person, you know, like put it like here with like a stand and it's gonna have a nice picture like this one, right? This would be like nice. Well, this would be nice, right? This would be nice. Or invest your hard-earned money in a DSLR camera and connect it to your computer so you can do like fancy video like this one, like fancy video on Zoom, because it is how you look in person and online. It's like, you know, people are transitioning to online, so you need to look great online as well. Next huge tip. So whenever people are joining your Zoom, they have this waiting area and you actually can change these things. And this is how it looks for us. It's like, we pull hungry to buy clients out of ads like magicians pull rabbits out of hats. Your Zoom will soon start. It's like, wow, like so nice, right? You basically go to your Zoom account, click on account management, account settings. I have many accounts on Zoom, so it is for me here, but maybe if you have just a solo account, it would be, but it's in the settings. So meeting, check out meeting, and basically waiting room here, you can see, you probably most likely have it on, turn on. You can customize your waiting room and you can put like a video. A video could also be kind of cool, you know, from the CEO, like, hey, I'm the CEO. I know you're a cool person, so amazing that you came to the call so you can buy our stuff. Amazing, and I see the call. I'm just joking, right? You would not put it maybe like that. But here you can see here, a logo, description, a video, and image. And I have an image, which I think looks dope. And one of my biggest realizations with Zoom is, so we have a Zoom meeting and then go into the recordings and just watch it. It's gonna be revolutionary for you. You just watch how you talk, how it looks, and you're like, okay, this I need to change, this I need to change. It will give you more ideas what you, specifically you, need to improve and change in your Zoom recordings, Zoom meetings or AK recordings. I hope this was valuable. Go ahead, improve your Zoom, improve your video, improve your audio, improve these small nuances and make some differences. And so you can have much greater meetings. Stay sharp and I see you sometimes also.